Guys, exploring with Brennan here. I just wanted to do something different to try and get more viewers, at least try to. Anyway, what we have here is since the 4th of July is coming up, don't try this at home. I am wearing safety goggles and protection. Don't try this at home, okay? Watch this. Right? Alright. That was it. And for those of you who don't know, this was actually a morning glory. Don't try this at home, especially little kids, because I wouldn't try this at home just because little kids could get hurt and stuff. But if you guys like that, if you guys think I should be doing something else other than exploring and trying new things, I would be open to that. Please leave comments in the comment section. Talk later. Bye.